Hi guys, today I'm opening Treasure X. There's 50 surprise inside.
Open it.
Let's open it.
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Something inside.
What's this? Oh, it's a coffin. Ah.
Let's take it off.
Yeah. Take off the shovel. Oh, yo, whoa. You open? Oh, good job. Oh, it's a wow.
It's a shiny one.
It's a shiny card.
We got this.
Yeah.
And then next.
And then you dig it.
I think I got it. There's something inside. And then you need to smash it.
Ah, you need to smash it. Oh, oh yeah, a tiny bug.
That's really cute.
Mm.
I can put this next. You need to find some treasure.
Oh,
Surprises!
surprises inside.
Wow!
What?
That's the body.
Oh, is it a body? Oh, you have to assemble it. You have to put them together. Look.
Yes.
Ah, yeah, a bone. Oh, it's like a baseball bat.
Yeah.
It's like Lucy. Ay, ano nga pangalan nung ano? Lucy? Si Lucy? Sa Walking Dead? Lucille. Like Lucille, sweetheart. What did you get?
Whoa. This is the brain.
Ah, you found a brain.
There's a pack inside.
Oh, this is interesting.
It looks interesting.
Head.
Oh, there's the head. There's his head. And there's the arms. Oh, there's ew. Look at this.
What's that? Slime? It's got slime. Wow, look at the mess. Oh, this is the body? The brain? Ew!
Yeah.
Don't get it on your hair, huh?
Oh no.
Ew.
Hey, got some of this thing here.
Ew, look at the head. Ew.
I found the other feet.
Oh, you found the other leg.
Let's see what else is here. Here it is. Oh, so eels is here.
Can you pull up your sleeve?
Okay, Mom, can you help me?
Oh, the brain is in. Oh, you can push it like that, huh? This is how it looks like. Press the brain. Oh, and the arm moves, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Whoa, there's a toy.